In this tutorial, I will show you how to use CheckMenuItem. Let's create a new JavaFX project. Okay. Let's add JavaFX SDK library. Okay, somehow JDK is missing. So let's add JDK 16.0.1 library, Java. Let's add JavaFX SDK 16 library. Okay. So that's the one. Apply, okay. Let's open XML in SceneBuilder. Copy. Remove. I prefer to use anchor pane. Let's paste controller. So this example, we're going to use menu bar. Then one text area. Let me enlarge the text area 400 by 600 pixels. So if you look at menu bar, it comes with the 3 menus. Let's add one more menu after edit. So it comes with the menu item. Let me remove, and then add check menu item. Menu I will change to format. Check menu items I will change to word lab. Okay, FX ID I will say check menu item CMI word lab. Event handler I will just say handle word lab. TA summary. So as you can see, we're going to play with word lab. It's coded as a lab text. Save it. This is how it's going to look like. Let's add two data field. One more here, TA summary. And then one event handler. Okay, let's change the private. Then add annotation. So CMI word lab. Okay. TA summary. Okay. So we have a two fxml. So implementation we will say if CMI word lab is selected, inside TA summary we can set lab text that is actually word lab true. If it's not selected, turn it up. So set wrap text false. Let's build project. Set configurations and then add VM options. Model path to JavaFX SDK library. Paste it. Add models. JavaFX controls. Then javafx fxml. Apply OK. So I already copied some text. So here you go. This doesn't have any word lab. Turn it on. See, you can see that. Let's turn it off again. Turn it on. So let's look at here the checkbox. Okay, word lab is on. That's all. Thank you.